Hello, and welcome to the fruit of our loins. This is our fruit and vegetable recreation of the female reproductive system. So we'll go ahead and jump in here. We're going to start with the uterus. And you can see we've got the cervix, the body, and the fundus. You can also see that there's 3 layers to the uterus. We have the perimetrium, the middle muscular layer, or myometrium, and the inner layer of endometrium. You can see up here where the fallopian tubes meet the uterus, and these will turn into the interstitial portion of the fallopian tube. It'll go on to the isthmus, the ampulla, which is the largest portion of the fallopian tube. This is also where fertilization will occur. And then onto the infundibulum. And at the end we have the fimbriae, which is the finger-like extensions that will grab onto the egg during ovulation. You can see here we have the ovary. And I'd like to say that this is not to scale. So we've got the ovary here, and you can see the different layers. We've got the outer tunica albuginea, we've got the cortex, and we've got the inner medulla, which has the follicles, and as you can see, some little eggs. So next we'll go on to the ligaments here. We're going to go to this side where we've got the suspensory ligament, which attaches the ovaries to the lateral pelvic wall. We've got the round ligament down here. It can also be seen up here as well. And then we have the uterosacral ligament, which originates from the internal os of the cervix down to the sides of the rectum. And while we're talking about the cervix, that will go into the vaginal canal, and there will be 4 fornix or fornices around the cervix. And as we travel inferiorly, we'll see the labia minora and the labia majora as you exit. So another one of our ligaments is going to be the broad ligament, which is going to be behind here, as well as covering everything, keeping it in place. And while the ovaries still have movement, the rest will be pretty much in place unless pregnancy occurs, in which there is plenty of movement. And as you can see here with the broad ligament, we've got the mesoovarium. So this is over here, and it's by the ovarian fossa, which is where the ovaries lie. And then we have the mesosalpinx as well, which will be a little bit up here, and our words have gotten messed up. So the mesosalpinx. All right, and that is the female reproductive system. I hope you all enjoyed. If you are so interested, you could always put this in an oven at 365 and get a nice pie.